Want to wish all the moms out there that watch us happy Mother's Day from us to you. Sitting here in the office, kicking around some ideas. Been seeing a few comments that people want to see some video from outside the track, i.e. in the grandstands of the races. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys prefer more of the in-car video from on the track, or would you like to see some from the stands of the cars around him as well? Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.
Well, Doug made the trip to Indiana Thursday and picked up a fresh spare bullet. This is the one we ran all season last year. It's back from getting freshened up. Well, we're locked and loaded to go to Highland tonight, but it's thundering right now. Wouldn't be Highland without rain this year. Well, as we sit here at the truck stop, about 15 minutes from our shop, about 35 minutes from the racetrack. It's definitely coming. We're just up in the air of what to do. If we go back to the shop, then it breaks up, then we're screwed. But if we go to the track, we know it's going to rain. Little lightning there. Nicholas is having flashbacks of the last storm road trip from Highland. I'm not real thrilled about it either, because they got 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts with this. Heading for the shop. Look at the dust blowing off out of that field.
It's the wind picking up.
Yeah.
Dave says pouring in Fairview.
Ooh, that was a good one.
If Highland gets this, it's already for do them in.
Yeah.
Here, so they're forced to.
Yeah.
That's what all the checkup. Yeah, you wouldn't ever turn around back there. That's a fancy one. That's one of them country western singers. Tennessee, right out of Nashville. That's where they police them. rained out.
And they rained out when we were at Huddle House
1 hour ago.
Highland go again.
Still didn't post anything. I said more of this shit this week than in my whole life.
They've done stacked them up on the other side, it looks like.
Yeah. Yeah, we're heading back to the shop. Yeah. It is bored. And it's heading that way. So, yeah. We've been in rain since we went and fueled up at Huddle House and we debated what to do. And I say go back to the garage. Just the way that the storm looks.
Well, we're back at the shop. We're just waiting on the racetrack to call it off before we start to unload the car. It's just barely sprinkling here now, but it was a lot of rain. And if they don't call it off, we can back it out of here and make a mad dash to the track. Well, Highland officially rained out. We got everything unloaded. Getting ready to put the truck away and call it a night. Much needed weekend night off for us. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. I try to read most of them, respond to them, answer your questions. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. We will catch you all later this week. As far as next weekend, it looks like Granite City for the first time this year on Friday night and back at Peebly on Saturday night.